Pull up in the Prius, smell of frankincense, you know the vibes.
She wanna vibe with a Habesha. Yeah, hey, listen. She wanna roll with a Habesha. 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 Yeah, for dinner we pull up in Addis. Fresh Injera for all of the baddies. From Asmara straight to the city. The coffee is sweet and we looking too pretty. Yeah. She wanna roll with a Habesha. She wanna roll with a Habesha. Hey, push start in the Prius, picking up fares. Smell the bun roasting while I'm combing my hairs. Aunty call my phone, I seen Milky. Said I'm on the highway making Baranak for see. Tried to serve me fast food, brother, that's dry. Bring the Doro hot and spicy, Burberry on the side. She said 5 voice notes straight to my DM, saying bizarre, what are we linking up at 10? I just text back, hurry, no delay. Habesha drip on point every single day. So I got Injera using 2 forks. Uncle looked at him and said, what is that talk? Right hand only when we break the bread. Real culture vibes, just like grandma said. She wanna roll with a Habesha. She wanna roll with a Habesha. She wanna roll with a Habesha.
This is too much,
She wanna roll with a Habesha.
Just one more, take it.
For dinner we pull up in Addis. Fresh Injera for all of the baddies. From Asmara straight to the city. The coffee is sweet and we looking too pretty. She wanna roll with a Habesha. She wanna roll with a Habesha. Good Jane shining like the sun of a goba. Pull up to the wedding doing a skista and Guayla. Mama says, Ricardo, you gotta work hard. Now we got the whole diaspora lit in the yard. Wi-Fi slow when I fly back home. Still get the love everywhere that I roam. Salam tap to the whole crew. She wanna roll with a Habesha. Asmara to Addis, you already know.
Wait, you must take some food. One last thing, look who just arrived.